After top IAS officer Pradeep Kasni questioned the appointment rush by the Hooda government, the officer claims to have received threatening messages from the Haryana Chief Secretary. Kasni claimed that he was being targeted for highlighting irregularities in the administration.
There may be a vested interest, but the way he behaved with me or misbehaved with me, I'm shattered.
Top bureaucrat claiming he is being targeted by the Haryana Chief Secretary. This after a bureaucrat dared to question his political boss, Bhupender Singh Hooda's rush to push through key constitutional appointments.
I was under tremendous pressure to issue them letters of appointment so that they can be administered the oath. So, but I am not the appointing authority. Appointing authority in statutory posts is His Excellency the Governor.
He said that he knew what he was doing was difficult because he had red flagged the appointments that the Chief Minister and the government wanted so desperately, despite opposition from the political parties and despite rules stating otherwise.
Obviously, there are certain issues which should have been tied up properly. But if some questions are raised, I'm sure the Haryana government will respond and put it in a proper light.
For pointing out the Chief Secretary's role and highlighting irregularities, Kasni received threatening messages for his disclosure. However, after furor over the incident, this is what the Chief Secretary had to offer.
तो मजाक में एक दूसरे के साथ हम एक्सचेंज करते रहते, पहले भी करते रहे, अब भी करते रहेंगे। शाम को उनको एसएमएस किया जिसमें मैंने लिखा है कि आई रिग्रेट माय वर्ड्स अगर आपको मेरे किसी शब्दों से तकलीफ होती है।
But with a whistleblower bureaucrat being targeted, Hooda is now under fire.
Bharatiya Janata Party criticizes any such unconstitutional steps taken by the Hooda government and want all these officers to be removed from their office immediately. Yet,
Hooda is staring at tough questions. Why an honest officer is being intimidated? Why Kasni's objections on appointments were brushed aside? And is it a coincidence that those getting plum posts are Hooda's close aides? 2 years ago, it was Ashok Khemka who was shunted around at whim. Now, ahead of assembly elections, Hooda is accommodating his yes men, despite Kasni sticking his neck out. And all his government could offer was a sham apology for intimidating an IAS officer. With Shamsher in Chandigarh, Sanchali Roy, Times Now.